How to fix Instagram feed not loading error on Android phone. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it on Android or iOS phone. It's easy. First open Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated, and if you found your update, just click on it and then go to settings, scroll down until you find apps, then click apps again, and now type here Instagram, click on it, click storage and clear cache. After that, just go back and try again, and if you have an iOS, just open settings, then general, and then click iPhone storage, and then just select Instagram and click offload. And I hope that can fix your problem, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like, and see you in the next video.